Hey everyone, it's dinner time here. Sorry that I've been inactive for like a week after I got home, but oh well. Anyway, in this tree, there's a nest. I'm gonna come up there, so I'll see you guys at the top. Okay guys, we're in the tree. Up there's the nest. Yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I find it. So yeah, I'll just be back soon. It might take me a minute, but it'll take you guys like a millisecond. Poop! So, I'm up. This is a robin nest. I can tell because of one of the eggs. You guys haven't seen the eggs yet, but I have. Robin eggs are blue, right? Oh, my gosh, it's moving. Isn't that cool? 2 robin eggs in a tree. Go touch one. So, this one, I think it's pointing at, is hatched. This one's not. Because if I touch this, it moves. Touch this, nothing happens. So, trees are beautiful. Oh geez, the branch is snapping. This one, right there, this tiny one. Okay, I'm gonna get down now. Bye guys. Please like and subscribe. These little tiny bird eggs in my tree. Yeah, that's it. So like, subscribe, comment down below what I should play on the gaming part of this channel. Yeah, comment down below what I should play next time, and subscribe and like to KitKat_space plays, which is capital K, A-T, capital K, I-T, _space, capital P-L-A-Y-Z. Okay, I think that's it. Bye-bye, birdies. Squeak, 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 squeak. Caw, caw, caw. Big bird, touch, moving. Bye-bye.